Lacio here at Lacio Creations. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to assemble my Infinity Heart jewelry box. As always, all the links to the materials I use for the box and everything else is going to be in the video description, along with a link to where to purchase the file. And that being said, let's get into it. Okay, here we go. So we have the sides for the box, the lid, and the bottom. We're gonna flip it over here and we're gonna apply a little bit of glue, and we're going to proceed to assemble the box. Just the sides first, and we just align everything, make sure that everything lines up, tied it up, and here we have it. We're just gonna let it dry for a minute. Now we move into the lid part. For the hinges, we have 12 parts that go attached to the box, 8 parts that go attached to the lid. Now we are going to add the Infinity Heart symbol to the top and the lid. We're just going to line it up, applying a little bit of glue, let it dry, and now we're going to move into the hinges. We have 8 parts again for the lid and 12 for the box. We're just going to start by applying a little bit of glue to the box where the hinges mount, and then we just proceed to mount the hinges in there. Again, there are 12 pieces that go attached to the box and 8 to the lid, as we see here. The glue is important in this part. It's a way of just keeping things nice and smooth when it's having the movement. Now we're gonna proceed to attach the lid into the box by assembling the hinges in there. We just have to use one of the pins and line things up and put the pin across. As you guys can see, it looks perfect. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment. Until next time.